Hello viewer, thank you for watching my video. So today I welcome you once again to Money Monday YouTube channel. So here I'm going to show you another wonderful thing which you might have heard about and you have seen it, or maybe you don't know about it too. So without wasting your time, I'm going straight to the point what we have for today. Alright, so today we're going to look at how to get paid $24 per email using Gmail free to give out cash loan from $100 to as much as $3,500, or let's say $35,000. Okay, so right here, what we are going to do today now is a very simple work. Okay, so today we're going to see how to give out cash loan from $100 to $1,000. Now, before we go straight to the point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so by clicking on the button, the subscribe button below, then click on notification bell and select all, so that you will not miss any of my video that I'll publish or that is in this series. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll see some other videos that I have published like this. To like YouTube video, get made 255 per hour from Google Translate, and so on and so forth. If you click on this arrow again, it will show you other ones again published in the time past, and so on and so forth. So you go through them, then you apply any of them, and you start making money online. So now today, what we are going to work on, we are going to make use of a site we call a Max Bounty. Okay, that is where we are going to use to make money today. So right here, what we are going to do is a very simple thing. If you don't have account, because some persons say that when they apply, they find it difficult to get account approved and other. If your account is not being approved, all you need to do is to buy. That is it. The same thing I did. I bought this, as you can see. So you buy the account and get it up and running. So once you are able to purchase your own account and you are ready, now the question is, where can you buy your own account? Very simple. Now this is one of the sites where you can buy account. You can check through, scroll down, any account, different kind of account, Yahoo, Gmail, different all kind of mailing account, social network account, and so on and so forth. You can see it here. So you too can also create account and also list it for sale. So people will buy it from you. Alright. So this is one of the sites where you can buy account. So another way you can buy account is go to Google, search for where to buy and sell Max Bounty account. When you search on it, you can see different listings. Okay, I provided the link in this my report, which you can see. So if you go through, like I said, step 1 here, open a free Gmail account and verify it. Okay, if you don't have a Gmail account, I already show you where you can buy it, isn't it? That's the first place you can buy it from. This is buyaccx.com. That is one place you can buy it. Then another place you can also buy again is through this link. I provided the link here. Once you copy and paste this link, it will take you to automatically to a search place where to display places you can buy. So one of the places is here, accountfair.com, which is from here. You see right on the account fair, you can buy approved Max Bounty account for sale. You can see this person now created this account and is selling it at what? $65. Can you see? And he has received 50 customer review, meaning 50 people has purchased this account from this person. Can you see it now? So you too buy, and that you can see different approved services, ID account, document, gambling account, order, payment process, and so on and so forth. You can see even PayPal. People are also selling card and bank verified PayPal account for sale at the rate of $40 and so on and so forth. This is another source of revenue, how you can make money again. Okay, you create account and then you list it for sale. People buy it and you make money. That's another. So when you open it, you can say like in this case now. So from here you can place your order, you add to cart, and then you check out. Okay, now from here you select your country and order the country you want the account. So you put that and you are done. So another place you can buy it again is from Fiverr. So if you go to Fiverr, you can see somebody who listed who is also offering this service. You can say, I will get your Max Bounty account approved within 24 hours. Can you see it now? So this person is selling from what? $5. Can you see? So this is very cheap. You can contact the seller and then you get your own account done for you. You can see 2 reviews. That means 2 persons has purchased this account already from this person. Now we move on. So you can go through the rest of it where you can get like people per hour. This is another place you can buy account. Okay, if you open it, you see it again. Then other places from Quora as well. Some people are listing their service too. So you can see swapd.co, Twitter, blackheartworld.com, and so on and so on. You can see from Blackheartworld, somebody is paying $50 for the account. So you can create this as many accounts as possible. Then you list it for sale. It's another way to make money. Okay, now we move on. So you can see from people per hour, this person listed it as a project, although this one has expired. All right, so it is. You get this done, and I believe this one is done now. So we just close them. Then we'll move to the next stage. Now the next stage is we're going to our email. First, you open a Gmail account if you don't have a Gmail account. So once you have a Gmail account, then it is ready. Okay, then we move to the next step. Then the next step says you should go to what? That should be step 2. Open a free Max Bounty account or buy already approved Max Bounty account from this place link I provided. Now step 3. Open a free Facebook account, Quora.com account, Instagram account, and Twitter.com. These are social network we are going to use to promote this program. Okay. Now once you have opened this account, then you move to step 4. Step 4, go to maxbounty.com, log into your account, then click on maxbounty.com/campaignsearch.cfm. When you click on that, it will take you to the campaign search page. Now let's go to the campaign search page. So right here, we're on the campaign search page. So once you're on the campaign search page, all you need to do is from here, you click on search, just follow the instruction. I've created a step-by-step report, as you can see here. It says what you're going to do is click on search option. Okay, when you click on search option, then under the search option, then under categories, choose financial. Then under all subcategories, choose loan. Then so you choose different thing what you want to promote. All right. So under these details, you leave it at all countries. Okay. You can, if you want to target particular country, you can select the country you want to target. Okay. So you leave it at all country. Now here under all categories, you select what? Financial, which you can see here. Then under the other again, which is a loan, we have under this all subcategories, you select loan. You can select debt, you can select which order has highest. I think loan has the highest offer here. Okay, so you select loan. Then once you select job, then under CPA type, you select dollar per lead, not percent per se. Okay, dollar per lead. You select that, then you click on search. And when you click on search, it will roll everything for you to show you all the ones that are available on this loan aspect of it. Okay, once you have it on the loan aspect, all offers that are available will be displayed. Now you can see what you need. If you click on this CPA rate, click on the CPA rate, it will arrange it in the order of the highest. So right here, you click on search option, you select all category, then category here, where did you say we are on financial? So then all subcategory, you click on loan, depending on what you want. Then under the CPA type, click per lead, then you click on search. And the moment you click on search, it will display everything for you right here. So once it display everything after searching, it will search and will display. The moment it displays, the next thing you are going to do is you click on the CPA rate or earning per click. Okay, what I usually prefer is this earning per click. Okay, so if you see this earning per click, the first one here is 0.32. When you click on this earning per click, to sort it in the order, the one with the highest earning per click. So you can see starting from $1.4 EPC, that's earning per click. So this is a very good one. So you open them one after the other. You click or right click, open a new tab, then right click, and next one again, open a new tab. The next one again, open a new tab. The next one again, open a new tab. So you open as much as you can. So as you open them, you go through them one after the other. So right here, you check what is the commission detail. This is sale. No, we are not looking for sale. We are looking for lead. Okay, here this one is commission detail, accepted lead. This one is accepted when the lead is accepted. Okay, and also require this. No, we are not looking for this. Then we also look for another one again. What is this? This is a sold application. When the application is sold, we are not looking for that. Then you click on the next one again. Approved loan. When the loan is approved, that is when you will receive your payment. When it will pay. No. Now we look for another one again. The next category is what? This one says completed on form submit. Good. This is a good one we can go for. Are you getting it? So the moment somebody now click through the link, apply and submit. Then once the person click on submit the form, that is it. The payment will trigger. Okay, we receive our money. Is that clear? So this is a very good one we can promote. So you just click on that. The moment you click and you have found it, you can see the earning, the amount. Then what you need to do again is you come to this where you have type of traffic that you will be sending. You select social. Now when you select social, under number 2, select creative. You click on raw or solo email if you have email, if you search. Now what usually goes is for raw link. And when you click on raw, then it will generate your link for you. You click and copy your link. Alright. Now once you have copied your link, that is all about that step. Copy your link, then you move everything straight. This is the link. Now you have copied it. Then we'll go to step 5. Step 5, go to your email and click on settings, then scroll down till you see vacation responder. Now you go to your email. So the moment you go to your email, then you come to display, click on settings. When you click on settings, then you scroll down till you see vacation responder. Where do you see vacation responder? So you keep scrolling, then you see vacation responder. In most cases, if you come in new, it will be off. So you click on, just turn it on. Then under the subject, you put your subject, like the one I'm using. I set this to be get a cash loan from $100 to $1,000. Okay, now you're going to set it based on what your offer is all about. You can see this offer is between to what, 35,000. Okay, so you get your loan. This is independent day loan. Get your independent day loan. That is what your own is going to look like. This one is personal loan up to this. So you make sure this is the page. So this is what the person will see when they go to the site. So what you now, your own should be get your personal loan up to 35,000. That should be the title of your own. So when you set it, the title should be that. Okay, on your email, get your personal loan up to this. So you put that. Now on the message type, where you have the message, click here to see if you are eligible to apply now. Then you put your link. Okay. So once you set everything there is ready, then what you do again, you scroll down and you click on save settings. Alright, once you save it and you are done. So you scroll down, then you click on save. So once you have saved everything, you are good to go. Now we'll go back again to the next step. So the next step we are going to look at is step 6. So we have set up everything, the message is done, then click here to apply. That is the follow. Now step 6. Go to twitter.com or quora.com or Instagram or Facebook, any of them. So what you do now, you go to what? Your Facebook, you open a page, you go to group. If you don't belong to group, what you need, you search Facebook group, whether make money online or get loan. You can do that, let's assume. So you can see the one I did here now, okay? So I just look for a fine image that will describe something of that nature. Then get paid $24 per email. So you can say, email this person. So the moment the person send me an email, they will receive an autoresponder, an auto-respond message showing the person the details about this. Okay, that is it. And the person click on the link, apply, and I get paid for it. It's as simple as that. So you also do the same thing. You go to Quora or any Instagram, anyway. You can see on Quora, you click on search, I need urgent loan. When you click on search, I need urgent loan, then it will display different questions about loan. You can see them that people are asking. Do I need a loan urgently? I need urgent money. Which loan application is the best? Now once you have something like this, just click on this, open a new tab. Then you click on that, open a new tab. So you begin to do what? Respond to them one after the other. Now you can see this person, some persons have already answered, provided answer. So what you do, you click on answer. So the moment you click on answer, what do you do next? Then you come to this place, your message which you created about this, how to go about. So you come to this place, you copy this, click here to see if you are get a cash loan from so to so. Now let's assume this, you copy this. So from here you go down to the place where you are going to answer the question. You just put the person here, says, then for next thing you enter email, you put your email. So you put your email. So once the person now see, then from here you can add image again. The image you downloaded about that is related to the word, the loan that the person is talking about. So let's assume I have this now. So I add the image. Then the moment I add the image and it's uploaded, you can see it here. Cash loan up to 1,000. So I click on submit. So any person that read through this now and sees it, that is it. So once they go through everything, they click